Are you encountering issues with your eSIM not working, showing, or being missing on your iPhone? This problem can occur due to various reasons like network issues, software glitches, or incorrect settings. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem so you can start using your eSIM again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. Open Settings on your iPhone. Toggle airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Solution 2. Update to the latest iOS version can resolve compatibility issues. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, restart your iPhone and test the cellular data. Solution 3. Remove and re-add eSIM card. Removing and reinserting your eSIM card can resolve network issues. Open Setting, tap Cellular or Mobile Service, scroll down, select your eSIM. Now remove it from here and re-add your eSIM card to your iPhone. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If the eSIM is still not showing or not working, resetting your network settings may help resolve the issue. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, and confirm your choice. Your iPhone will restart and you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Check if your eSIM is now available. Solution 5. Contact your carrier. If none of the above solutions work, the issue might be with your carrier's eSIM activation or settings. Contact your carrier to ensure that your eSIM is correctly activated and that there are no issues on their end. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with your eSIM not working or showing on your iPhone. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.